Hello, this is Lisa from the Spellbound Bead Company. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple knotted bracelet with a slide knot to take it on and off and do it up. We're using some of the polymer clay beads. They're like the little fruit sort of slices, fruit shaped beads. We do them in flowers as well. We do all sorts. They're very colourful beads. I've got a piece of 1mm cotton thong as well. I think this length's probably a little bit too long, so I'm actually going to cut it a bit shorter. We'll put up how much you need as well, so you know how much to cut in the first place. So what we do is, to start off, double knot. So the double knot's going to be on the end of the bracelet, sort of where the beads start. So there'll be one there and one there. There we go. It's just a case of wrapping the thread around twice rather than once. Thread on the first bead. Do a single knot in the middle. It's easier to do the knotting with the cord, because it sort of makes nice knots and you can get them quite quickly in place. It's also quite satisfying as well, because it whether you're making a bracelet or a necklace, actually grows really quickly as well. It's a nice sunny day today as well outside, so it actually feels like it's the kind of bracelet you want to be wearing in nice weather. That's the last bead on this. So at the end I'm going to put like a double. I'm going to wrap this around twice in my knot. So the thread, that's the once. Put it back around again, so that's twice. Just seems to keep them in place a bit easier and actually looks a bit nicer just for either end. So there we go. Right, so what we're going to do is the end bit of the bracelet now. So it's the sliding knot, and you get the both ends together like this, and you wrap it around twice. Do it around your finger, pull it off, and you push it through and you pull it, and then you can, there you go. Make it look a bit awkward, sorry, but it's actually not as awkward as I'm making it look. And then you get the other end. There are different ways of doing it, and this is just the one I'm going to show you at the minute. So you get your finger, wrap it around twice, pull it off, and then that goes through that way, pull it, okay, and then you will need to probably trim your ends, but there it is. So sliding knot one way or the other. There we go. Obviously that end's a bit longer, so I'm going to just trim that off like that. You can put little knots or little beads on these ends if you wanted. There you go. Hope you enjoy making it.